Yeah, right. Use the internet? No problem. Of course I can email that information to you by the end of the day. No problem at all. Right. Okay. Yeah, who am I kidding? I don't know how to get that information off the internet. Oh, for that matter, I don't even know how to email that stuff to him.
If we can merge my database with yours, that could save a lot of time and work. I don't know how to do that. Do you?
I don't have a clue. Look, we really need another person to help us with all this work.
Yeah, we just can't get all this done.
Look, all I know is I've been looking through a pile of resumes all morning and I can't find any qualified people. We're going to lose these clients if we can't meet their deadlines. Where are these people?
Time is money, and no one knows this better than the over 20 million businesses in the United States with 100 or fewer employees. Your workforce is the key to your success. But with the rapid change in technologies and business processes, a skills gap has developed. Employees lack key business skills, and without these skills, time is wasted while your workforce struggles to do their jobs. Because their work is inefficient, you have to hire more people, and qualified people are scarce. And in the end, your bottom line is affected. To stay ahead of the competition, companies are working to close this skills gap by training their new hires, retraining their veteran employees, and offering training as a recruiting tool to new employees. But this also costs time and money. Traditional classroom training is very expensive, not to mention the cost of travel and loss of revenue while employees are gone. Plus, workload makes attending training very difficult and disruptive. That is why so many companies are turning to e-learning, web-based training, which gives them a more time and cost-effective way to train their employees using enterprise-quality courseware presented in real time through the internet. Through your internet service provider, you have access to a large suite of interactive e-learning courses that provide excellent training on topics ranging from internet skills, word processing, spreadsheets, databases and programming, to business writing, negotiation training, and hundreds more, all from a company called MindLeaders. Since 1981, MindLeaders has been a key provider of computer-based training to Fortune 1000 companies and government agencies. MindLeaders is a Microsoft-approved independent courseware vendor, and with your internet service provider, MindLeaders is bringing the same quality training to you. Technology-delivered training is growing at a rate of 44%, with e-learning at the forefront with a 95% growth rate. And the reasons for this are clear to MindLeaders.
Companies need to make the best use of their training time. It's as if time is compressed and we've got to be able to get more out of the time that we have. So if an employee already has a basic knowledge of a program, it'd be a waste of time to have them start at the beginning and go through training of information that they already know. Your ISP can deliver MindLeaders courses with a skill assessment test that lets the course material be tailored to meet individual needs. That way, the employee can focus on what they need to learn and skip what they already know.
When an employee sits through a several-day training seminar, it's kind of like drinking from a fire hose in terms of content. The information can be overwhelming and difficult to retain. With e-learning, an employee can have 24/7 access to the courses, take them in bite-sized bits, easy to digest. With the MindLeaders library delivered through an ISP, the user can be assured of the quality of the content and integrity of the delivery system.
We're in the age of human capital. More than ever, the true intrinsic value of an organization is based on the aggregate knowledge of its workers. That's why training is so important. It's not only an investment in people, it's an investment in the future of the company. And e-learning makes training easier and more cost-effective. Now people can take the courses they need anywhere, anytime, over the internet. Empowering, engaging, and effective. E-learning is the answer to today's business challenges. It's e-learning that works.
All of these features mean that your business saves time, a very important commodity, and money, an equally important commodity when training your employees.
How do I know that your training courses are really going to run on my computer network?
Through your internet service provider, MindLeader's training courses can be run with a common browser interface easily, without complications.
Just how user-friendly are your courses?
Unlike computer-based training in the past that required loading a CD into your computer, MindLeader's courses are presented in real time through the internet with page-by-page transmission. That means no downloading to your hard drive. And there's interaction to make learning enjoyable. You can go back and forward with a course at your own pace. This is not possible with many other e-learning courses. Also, a simple index and table of contents allows you to find the information you need when you need it.
How would I know if my employees are really learning the course information?
MindLeader's Web Administrator package can produce reports showing employees' progress with their training. Administrators can compare pre-course assessments with both course scores and post-course evaluations, enabling you to get the results that prove you're getting value from your training investment and to hold your people accountable for accomplishing the training.
How do you plan to handle the constant updates that can happen in computer software?
To stay current, MindLeaders is constantly updating courses, as well as introducing 35 to 40 new courses every 90 days to stay current with rapidly changing processes and technology.
Bottom line, what's the cost? Just how affordable are your courses?
Bottom line, you can license all of MindLeader's courses through your internet service provider for a reasonable flat fee. Your internet service provider has pricing details. And you save money by eliminating costly travel expenses because your employees train at their desk, at work, or at home. And because MindLeader's courses are always up to date, employee retraining is efficient and inexpensive. There is no question that today's marketplace is constantly changing. There's an increasing demand for skilled employees that simply don't exist. The answer is to look within. Utilize the potential of the people in your own organization. Make the best possible use of your company's time and money when training your employees. Efficiency and convenience. Through MindLeader's courses in partnership with your internet service provider, you can make a critical investment in your future. Closing the skills gap is the solution.